How to download LEGO Fortnite on Android. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can download LEGO Fortnite on your Android phone. Let's start this tutorial by going to your browser. You can use Google or whatever you have on your device. Next, search Epic Games Android. In here, you can see the Epic Games Fortnite mobile. Simply click on it. There will be an automatic download that will pop up on your screen. Simply click the download button to install the Epic Games app APK on your device. Once the download is complete, the Epic Games app will appear on your home screen. Simply open it and log in to your account, or also you can create your account. After that, then find the Fortnite game and tap on it. You will see the download or install button. Tap on it to download the LEGO Fortnite. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.